Lights, camera, action. I'm at the nature reserve today, down by East Broadway by Aberfeldy Nursery. We're going to be talking about how to make a staycation fun. You may not have the money for a plane ticket or to get on a plane or a ticket to get on a cruise ship to go on a little vacation. No matter, depending on where you are, you could pack some stuff in your car, go for a nice drive. Depending on the season, you could take your camping gear. Depends on where you want to go. Like I'm from Bermuda, and if I was to take a staycation here, for example, I'll go to the nature reserves down at Spittle Point because I'm never really ventured that like that. Take time out to do things that you haven't done. That's one simple tip that you could do, right? Because we say, oh, it's boring, but there's a lot of things I haven't even explored within this 22 square mile island. So there's so much to do at home while on a vacation. So you just gotta think outside of the box, get rid of the box, right? And another thing you could do, all the things that you deal with regularly, you shut those notifications off. You let everybody know, look, I'm going on vacation, right? Even if they see, oh, she's still her, she's talking about she's going on vacation, she ain't going on vacation, or he's still her, he ain't going on vacation. Why he's doing still her? You're on a staycation. You're having fun where you are. So there's a lot of things you could do. Yeah? You could go camping, you could go hiking, you could go rent a hotel room, far, go for a drive, rent a hotel room a couple of miles away. If you can't afford that, you could do something special for yourself at home. Have a nice little private little house party or something. Party, bring the atmosphere, bring the liveness to you. You want to bring it, invite it to you. It's all around you. So it's about finding these things, and it's not hard to find these things when your mind's clear. See, so sometimes you got to step back. So it's not hard having fun. It's about, because sometimes you get caught up into the day-to-day running of things, and it gets difficult and it gets hard. I understand that. Whack, bills. Okay, so what you do, okay, if you can afford it, pay all your bills. You're going on vacation, a staycation you're going to be here for a staycation for 2 weeks. Pay all your bills covered for that week or two, so you ain't got to worry about paying those bills. You alleviate that. You want to do things that's going to take away the stress of the regular day-to-day life. So you want everything in relaxed mode, right? You can maybe park your car and don't even use your car. Go on a train ride or something. Go on a Greyhound, hop on a Greyhound. Hop on a Greyhound, go to another state, So it's little things you could be doing like that. Like if you're in Canada, you could go Niagara Falls. You want to treat yourself to a massage. Go to a swimming pool or something. Treat yourself. You got to treat yourself. Anything like what I consider vacation is treating yourself. You got to treat yourself good, right? You could order some food you never had, you've been craving for a long time. Like me, I ain't had coffee and potato for a long time. So if I was taking a nice little vacation, first thing be up on the menu food-wise would be coffee and potato. So you got to do things that you haven't done before to elevate yourself, to make it fun. Yeah? You ain't got to follow your normal routine. Take your alarm clock, turn that off. Stay up late nights, have fun. Go sit down somewhere, look at the stars, look at the moon, watch the sunrise or something. Go somewhere, watch the sunrise. Go somewhere, watch the sunset. You got to do these things to keep yourself having fun and actively happy. See, once you're actively happy and having fun, you're not going to be worrying about the day-to-day running of things. So it's all about alleviating your mind, de-stressing your mind from the normal day-to-day runnings of life, right? Go on an island or something. Like in Bermuda, we got a little island. Okay, to me, like Darrell's Island, that's like 5-10 minute ferry ride from Hamilton, but it feels like a vacation because it's an island surrounded by water. So there's a lot of things you could do within the confines of where you are. You don't always have to fly out to have the best of times. You could walk the railway trails wherever you are if you have any. You could go climb the mountains. Go visit the wildlife or something in your area. Go to the zoo. You haven't been to a movie? Go check out a nice movie or something. Entertain yourself. It's all about entertaining yourself. It's all about bringing entertainment. Go on the beach. Have a bonfire, a barbecue. Take your little basket, your wine. Invite a friend or something and go have some fun. You know, go splurge. You know, spend some money. You know, go do your shopping. You know, go do your shopping, and wherever you go, you might go Walmart, you might go Apple, pick up a fan, go do some shopping too. It's just like you on a vacation out of state or out of your country, right? You want to take in tour adventure things that are underappreciated too, within the confines of where you live. So there's a lot of things, a lot of untapped resources that we ain't even tapped into, that we could explore, right? You could set up a nice little hammock in your backyard and chill. You know, so it's just different things you could do to enjoy yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want you to have a great day. This like my little tips for a staycation, how to make a staycation fun. Let me know what you think in the video section below, please. Thank you.